Hello everyone, this is Jake, Instructor Jake with Level Up, and in this video I'm going to show you how to join our premium membership. Now premium membership is $100 a month and it teaches you everything you need to know to pass the IELTS with a 7 or higher. Now before I get into how to join, if you want to know more about a premium membership, what's included, everything you get, then check out this video above. That video is going to tell you everything you need to know about premium. This video is just going to be about how to join, what to do to get access, okay? So follow along with me. Now, you should see on the screen a website, and down below is the link that you need to go to join our premium. Once you go to this link, you're going to be brought to this website you see on your screen now. Now this website has a lot of information. You can read it all. It'll tell you all about our premium membership. But if you want to get straight into joining after you're done reading that, all you have to do is click this gold button, Enroll Now. Now once you click that, you'll be brought here. It tells you a little bit more about our course here. And then on the right side, you just put in your email, your debit or credit card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit code on the back, and you hit pay $100 US. That's all our course is, $100 a month. And after you click that pay button, you're going to get an email and it's going to send you to Discord, okay? This is where you need to pay attention. The email will tell you everything, and once you have the Discord app, don't worry, that link will take you there. Once you have the Discord app open, it's going to look like this, okay? This is the Discord app. So after you actually click on this pay button, okay, it's going to send you an email and a link to here. Now, once you're here, you're going to be in this channel called Premium right here. And it's going to tell you everything you need to do, okay? But I'm just going to show you to make it simple. All you need to do is take the activation code in the email that you got from us. The email should be from LaunchPass, and it should have an activation code, okay? You take that code and you send it to the LaunchPass bot. This person right here. You take that code and you type in your code right here. That's not a real code, I'm just a bunch of numbers. And then just go ahead and press enter, okay? You can ignore this code, it's not going to be active, but this is an example of a code I sent. And then it's going to verify, it's going to say verifying your code, welcome, your account is now active, okay? And then that's it. And then you're going to be a premium member and you'll have access to everything in the premium membership, which again, you can find out what's in the premium membership in this video. It'll tell you everything about premium. This is just how to do it, okay? So that's all you have to do to join. And then if you ever want to cancel, you just click on the LaunchPass bot again and you type in the word cancel, okay? So that's how to join and how to cancel. And once you join, you'll be a premium member. It's $100 a month and you'll be billed every month on the day you join. So if you join the 5th of December, you'll be billed again on the 5th of January. Month by month membership, everything you need to know about IELTS, and that's how you do it, guys. That's how you join. If you have any questions, come into our Discord. Ask us anything. We're there 24/7. You can ask us anything, have any questions. Please come talk to us. Also like, share this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Okay, thanks guys.